Okay, beginners, so this is your fourth video for math this week and your last one. And today we are going to talk about adding. So I want you to go ahead and grab this paper in your sleeve. Just leave it inside your sleeve and grab your marker and eat the little peppermint candy cane at the same time that you have in there. Okay, and let's start with adding. So I'm going to tell you a problem and you must find out where to put the numbers, where to write the numbers, okay? Miss Sarah also put some papers for your numbers practice in your folder. So you can practice writing numbers every day this week, okay? So here is this. So let me tell you the problem and let's see where we're going to write our numbers. Okay, Matthew had 5 pennies. Everybody show me 5 with your hand. Matthew had 5 pennies and 3 pennies are parts. I'm sorry, and three more pennies. He found 3 more pennies. Michael had 5 pennies and he found 3 more pennies, okay? Where should you write the parts numbers? So those are the parts, remember? Where should we write them? Should we write them in the whole circle or should we write them in the smaller circle? That is right, we write them in the smaller circle. So let me say it again. Michael had 5 pennies. So let's go ahead and write 5 right here. He had 5 pennies. And he found 3 more. So right here we're going to write 3. He found 3 more pennies. Now I want you to take your abacus. Right here. Take your abacus. Okay, clear your abacus. All right, it's cleared. So you're gonna have 5. Remember, Matthew had 5 pennies. So we're gonna enter 5 pennies. Then we're gonna put our little finger right here, right? And then we're gonna enter, he found 3 more pennies. He found 3 more pennies. So how many numbers did he have total? So put them together. And now you can see 5 and 3. And what is 5 and 3? Remember your little song. Salty is the sea. 8 is 5 and 3. So what is 5 and 3? 8. Very good. So how many pennies does he have in total? He had 5. He found 3 more. And now he has, how many is that? That's right, he has 8 pennies. So right here at the top, we're going to write 8 because that's the whole. These are the parts and this is the whole, right? Okay, very, very good. So we add them together. Good job. All right, so now erase your numbers. Go ahead and erase them and I'm gonna say another problem. And let's see if you can figure out where to write the numbers. You ready? So, Matthew, instead of finding 5 pennies, let's say that he found, no, instead of finding 3 pennies, let's say that he found 5. Okay, I shouldn't have done this. Okay, let me rewrite it. I shouldn't have erased them. Okay. Now we're going to change the problem. So instead of Michael finding 3 pennies, let's pretend that he found 5 more. So we're going to erase this and we're going to write 5. Okay? Now, how many total did he find? Did he have? So he had 5, then he found 5. How many does he have? Is it 8? Is 5 and 5 8? No, you're right, beginners. 5 and 5 is 10. So how many does he have? How many pennies? He has 10 pennies. Very, very good. All right. So let's erase these. Let's erase these. Ok. Entonces, padres, ahorita pueden hacerlo con ellos diciéndole muchos diferentes problemas, como el perro comió 2 veces al día, 2 veces en la mañana y 2 veces en la tarde. Entonces, ¿cuántas veces el perro comió durante el día? Or things like this, como historias así, con todos diferentes tipos de números, para que ellos aprenden las partes de la parte completa. Llamamos eso la parte completa y eso las partes. ¿Ok? Entonces, ustedes pueden hacer así problemas con ellos. Yo voy a hacer un último problema con unos números más altos. Okay? So, let's think about adding higher numbers. For instance, let's say Rosillo earned 2 10 cents. So Rosillo earned 2 10 cents. She washed the dishes for her mommy and she swept the floor. So she got 2 10 cents. How are we going to write 210? It's going to be a part, so we're going to put it right here, 210. How do we write 210? That's right, 210, just like this. So she got 2 10 cents or 20 cents, right? 2 10 cents. And then the next day, she got 3 10 cents because not only did she help her mommy washing the dishes, not only did she sweep the floor, she also helped her mommy cook. So her mommy gave her 3 10 cents. So how much is 3 10 cents? 3 tens. 3 10 cents. So now let's look at these two and think about how many tens does she have total? How many tens does she have? So this is the 2 tens and the 3 tens. So what do you think goes over here? If you need to, do it on your abacus. Grab your abacus. 2 10 plus 3 10. So you have to have 2 10 at the beginning and then 3 10. How many tens is that? Yes, that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 tens. 5 tens. So 2 10 plus 3 10 is 5 10. Just like that. 5 tens. All right, very good. So I want you to practice writing numbers that your mommy tells you and little problems that your mommy tells you for today. And you can practice this all throughout your holidays, throughout your vacation. You can practice writing problems, okay? All right, beginners, you guys have a lovely Christmas. And I will definitely see you on the first day of school in January. I can't wait. Bye-bye, beginners.